See, we're just waiting for Mama.
Hi, Mom. Bye.
See, I bonked my head tonight.
Head.
Ouch. Ouch. Right there. See, the vacuum cleaner hit me.
He's resting.
A vacuum.
Bye. Bye. Yeah.
See, we're waiting for Mama.
Bye. Mama.
See, Mama's at the store.
That ain't
Bye. Yeah.
See, we get to watch Dusty.
Okay, bye.
You mean Nick Lupin Lopez from the
What do you think?
It's just a routine day on the set. He's doing his trading, stunt scene. But there was this freak crosswind. Wade was the first one on the scene. Didn't know what to do. His best friend was gone. And Blade thought his life was over too. But he didn't give up.
How does it sound when you throw up, Heston? Ooh.
Blade. He used to pretend to save lives. Now,
Say, we're outside of Walmart. Just hanging out.
Bye. Yeah, you. Bye.
Hello, kisses.
Bye.
reroute the main water line.
Bye. Bye.
Say,
Yeah.
peace out, yo. Peace out, yo.
Yeah.
Peace out, yo. What does your shirt say? Beach Patrol. Beach Patrol. Say, look. A Walmart. Say, the skies are all black. Say, there was a tornado. Say, tornado. There's a tornado 1 hour from here. Yeah, we heard the sirens go off. There's a tornado an hour from here, over in the little town of Hebron. Halfway between Bismarck and Dickinson. So, anyway, tornado season, folks. Say, watch out.
Ciao.
Watch out, Heston's driving. Honk, honk. Give it a honk. Goodbye.
Bye.
Peace.
Peace.